Do you want to know how to make skins like this for TribeXR? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Running Knight's YouTube channel. I'm Running Knight, and today I'm going to show you how to make a skin for TribeXR. So I'm just going to jump straight into this. So the first thing I always do is you need to make a folder for your skins. So for this purpose, I'm just going to name it tutorial. I don't even know how to spell tutorial, but I'm just going to leave it like that. So next thing you want to do is go to you need a photo editing software like Photoshop or GIMP. I'm going to use a free version called Photopea. So let me just switch over to my browser and I'll show you. You're going to need a template. You should be able to find that in the. You should be able to find the template inside of the Tribe Discord. So I'm just going to grab the templates and I'll be right back. Right, here we are. I have the template. This is for the deck itself. So the CDJs. So let's get to making a skin quickly. I'm gonna quickly find an image online. I'm gonna look for a gradient. No, that's not find gradient. I don't know how to spell today. It might be able to fit gradient color. I put in 1D. Okay. Gradient color. Let's go neon. Let's go neon. Neon. So I'm gonna find an image that you like. I kind of like this. This looks cool. Let's grab this. Let's copy it. Go back to Photopea and paste it. Alright, it needs to be under the template, so just drag and drop it like that. Then we need to resize it. Just press Alt Control T on Photopea, which will do that. Then hold down Alt to do this, and for some reason Photopea has been a bit laggy for me, so you have to bear with me. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna resize it. There we go. I'm gonna duplicate this layer. If it wants to do anything. Yep. And then I'm gonna drag and drop the new layer to go over the jog wheel. So I'm gonna resize that again. that should do it. Now this is the back of the CDJ, so I'm gonna grab my logo and put that in there. We need to find logos, and I'm gonna drag and drop the logo in there. I'm gonna change. Need to put that there, like so. Gonna just shrink. Oh, I'm pressing both Control and Alt. You shouldn't do that, else it'll go all curvy like that. So, and it moved the whole thing. No. Damn. Okay. Make sure the picture you want to move is selected. Control Alt T, hold down Alt. Right, so I'm just gonna put that there. So now it's come to saving it. So I need to just find my skins folder just to make sure, just double check I get the right labels. Skins. Okay. There we go. Right, so for the CDJ, you always need to export it as a PNG file. So go PNG. And you need to name it tribe CDJ underscore skin. Then just save it and put it in the same folder, the folder you made earlier. So need to find that tribe skins. You won't be able to see me because I got the window capture on. So tutorial, save, and now it's time for the mixer. So we're going to grab the mixer. Need to create a new project again. And you know what? I'm gonna reopen Photopea so I can drag and drop it, so I don't have to worry about the ratios. Then tribe skins, templates, mixer, drag and drop that. I'm gonna do the same background as this. I'm gonna go and Control V. It should be still there. Yep, there it is. Like again, underneath the template, else it won't work properly. I want that to look better, so I'm gonna make that smaller like that. Drag it so it fits. And drag that up like that. There you go. And then once again, you can customize the tribe logo down there. I'm gonna duplicate the layer again. And then drag and drop that over there. I'm gonna put it underneath the first layer so it doesn't overlap. So I'm gonna line that up nicely. There we go, that should do it. And then we go to save the mixer. So file, export as PNG. Next you go and put tribe mixer underscore skin, and then save, and again put it in the folder you made earlier. Now we've got those saved. I am going to show you how to get it onto your quest and up and running in Tribe. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I am going to be using SideQuest for this tutorial. If you're using SideQuest and it looks like this, don't worry, you can still access your files with SideQuest. So I'm just going to plug me headset in. Plug the headset in, allow any prompts that's in the headset for SideQuest. If you don't have SideQuest installed, I will put a link in the description for a tutorial. So to find your tribe where you put the skins, you go to manage files, Android, wait for that to load, data, okay, then you look for Tribe XR. It should be down here somewhere. Right, Tribe XR. You go to Files, UE4 Game, Tribe XR, saved, logs. Okay, no, I forgot, it's moved. So you go to Documents, Skins, and then you find the skin you made earlier. So I've got mine in the skins folder here, and there it is, tutorials right there, and just drag and drop into Tribe XR. Now I'm going to jump into Tribe XR and show you how to load it up. So here we are in Tribe XR. To find the skins, you go to Equipment, Skins, Custom Skins, and there's the one I'm just made tutorial. Click that, and it loads. Look at that. That actually looks pretty nice. Not gonna lie. And if we take the selfie cam, you won't get probably able to see properly. Grab the selfie cam. You should see. There is a logo there, but it's not a good color. So I'm gonna have to change that. So, but look at the Tribe logo. Actually, hold on. I'll go to an environment where there's more light. So we go to the Desert Lounge. There you go. Should be able to see it now. Yep. Not clearly, but it's there. Oh. Let me move that out of the way. You may be able to see it properly. Should be able to see that. There you go. Perfect. Now, if you like what you saw, like, subscribe, and click the notification icon so you don't miss another video. Later.